Yes guys, welcome back to our next video from Riverstream TV guys. Welcome all of the newcomers them who just subscribe and say big up on yourself, welcome to the channel. And we can say now guys, now we will cook today, we will cook curry chicken and fried corn. So if you wonder one name fried corn, you know say the flour we use Neil in Jamaica, we put baking powder upon it, you see it? And we fry them in an oil. So I will show you how to do that today. So come with me guys.
Yeah, man, you know, I see a 3-star live. I say River Stream. You know, I think go out nice.
Yeah, man, it is.
2022. I come to
Cool,
Riverstream TV.
Stream TV. You know, God bless people from
Riverstream TV.
yeah. Riverstream TV.
Yeah.
You don't know how we say play, man.
Riverstream TV, the big TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me? Hey.
Subscribe and click the bell, you know?
Yeah, see me?
Right, for the notification.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, man. No,
Cool,
talk
man,
about
big up,
Riverstream.
Every
Right,
time. Cool,
Right,
man.
yeah, man. Right, through like
Nice.
that. Oh, Riverstream.
Yes,
You know,
see me?
so we have to watch it on TV and it ever clean. Right, through like night, Joe.
Oh, okay.
Yes guys, this is the chicken we never use, so it look pretty. And the reason why you see the water look, so you know, so me chose some jerk seeds upon it already. But you know, me did I move too fast. You see me, so I slow down now. So you know, so this are the chicken and this are the seasoning we put on it. Not much guys, cause you know, say a curry we I cook, and may I show you say you can have to use no whole heap of seasoning in your food, is it? More while less seasoning you use it nice like it, is it guys? So I have a piece of sweet pepper when I have in my fridge. Just a little piece. I have a piece of ginger here, so I have garlic, and I have carrot, and I have onion, I have scallion and thyme, and I have jerk seasoning, so you see it? And I have local oil over there, so I have baking powder I'm going to put in the flour, and I have curry 2-pack. So you know, so I'm going to burn one of them, I'm going to use 1.5. So guys, come, I'm going to show you now. I'm going to cut up the seasoning on the meat right now, so take in guys. Yes guys, I'm going to strip off the seasoning them now, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut them up on the meat now. I'm going to show you the jerk seeds upon it, so watch the process. Yes guys, so I'm done this now, so I have a hot pepper I'm going to put on it, so I'm going to throw some seasoning on it now, so look what I'm going. Yes guys, so I'm done this now, so you know, so I'm going to set on the pot and I'm going to throw it in them, so stay tuned. Yes guys, so I'm going to set on the pot now, so you know, so I'm going to throw in the oil and I'm going to start cook the chicken them, so stay tuned. Yes guys, so the curry burn, so you know, I'm throw in the chicken them, take out the seasoning and I'm going to throw them in one. Take a good look on it. You know, so when you see it back, trouble. Oh. Yes guys, so make a mix and make a look on the chicken them. Turn them over. And then just make them get a nice little cook with it. Fry in the oil. So just turn them over. Turn over everything. And guys, this is sit down in the pot and oil at it. And not so much oil put in there, just the chicken a leak of water and oil. So you know it goes. So you know the chicken, the fat with the pan it will make it have oil. And the water will not fight with it. So when this now start go right down to the oil, I will show you how I'm going. You see me? So stay tuned. Yes guys, so I'm going to check back on it again. So it has one. Oh. Yeah. Some more guys. You know, see? I'm going to throw in the water from this now. So you see it's gone right down to the oil now. So you know I will throw some water from this. See? Look at that. Nice curry, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Throw a little bit of water on it, guys. So the key. Yes guys, so just throw the water on it so this is how it look. You know what I'm saying? I'll make them cook. So look on it the next time you see it. Yes guys, so we look back on the pot again. I don't know if you can see it, I'm going to give a nearer look, see it? Yeah. You know, so the chicken them come on. Just splash up on the side. No way I'm doing a splash. Look at this guys. So nice. Yeah. And I make them I want to cook some more. Then you know so I'm going to throw in the season. So you have to stay tuned to see that thing guys. This is it. Yeah. Big respect, and remember if you're new, please to drop a like on the video. If you're not subscribed yet, you know, say to subscribe guys, and enough more new video come guys. So big up on yourself, enough respect, enough love. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so I make a next look on it again. Yeah, look there.
And it's easier to check your mind with phone and
you know, so I'm so throwing the season water. I make it go and cook come home. I turn on the stove So, you know, say, when I make it go and cook, I chew my chop the meat them big, and I make the meat them cook, right? Then I chew in the chicken, the seasoning them, and when the seasoning them done, cook, you know, say it's done. And then, you know, say, I go fry the flour them after. I go knead the flour and show you, I go show you everything, so. Come with me, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm so true on the season now. Yeah, so that look at that, guys. Show you this.
One more answer, I'm gonna get to the right way. Alright, if cheese burnt up on a wall and one like, what's that?
Yes, guys, so you know, I go throw on the season water now. Yes, guys, so you don't know, say the fry pan I'm gonna do with them, so see flour, so you know, say with the caramel in it, because the caramel make it look softer, so we're gonna knead the flour, you know, or we're fry it in another pot. So stay tuned, guys, you see it? And we're gonna knead the flour right now. So this is the flour, so you know, so I'm going to throw the salt on it, you know. Oh. And we get to that good still, but you know, so we're going to throw some baking powder upon it. You know, so caramel is in the flour already, guys. And the baking powder will help it to get soft. The caramel will help it to flow. Look what I'm going, guys. Chewing baking powder. But I chew in look a bit more still, but you know, some more the flour for tenderize, is it? Yes, so I'm gonna knead the flour right now, guys. So look, now watch the process. Yes, guys, so you know, so I'm gonna use a spoon now and start it. So you know, so chew in the water. And when we get it now way, then we just use my hand and finish it. So look what I want. So we're using onion now. Finish it. Oh. Yeah. Yes, guys. It's almost done now. Still have to make cook a bit more. More. Cut that. Yeah. So meanwhile, this I want to cook down a bit more. Just start fry the flour, then you can see. Yes, guys, I'm going to turn on the stove. Chewing the iron going on. so when the oil hot, chewing the flour, then make you see how them a fry, you see it? Yes guys, so you know, say, I go show you the first flour, you know, I'm not going to put it in a olive, guys, because the pot looker, and I go build them that size, and I'm going to show you how I need it, but I just put it in the first one, yeah, see if the oil hot. Yeah. Oil are going good, man. Yes guys, I want to do them kind of turn them fast and then we burn up. Yes guys, so we go fry that one, yeah. You know, so I go clip it because I'm not going to make the video well long, is it? I go clip it and I'm going to see each time when I'm done fry one of them. So big up on yourself guys, and remember to subscribe. Remember to like the video right now. Please guys, remember to subscribe and stay tuned. Yes guys, so broke it soap, let's leave that look crack. See it? Some suit about that now. See it? So stay tuned. Yes, yes, put in one. Most guys will show you one. This one firm. Turn it, that's it now. Bun up. Make that side do one fry. So when it are done, when it are fry, show you. When you take it out, show you. Yes, guys, that's the chicken, yeah? And it's already cooked on it now. Looks so good. Looks good. Look at that, you know? Okay. Yeah. So you know, so guys, done this done now, so you know, lock off the stove and focus on frying the dumpling them. When we done that, you know, so I'm gonna share the food, so big up on yourself, stay tuned. Give it a turn. Yes, yeah, that's how it look. But I said, come on. Yeah. So you know, so that this is a mad, you know, guys. Yeah, if you live in Jamaica, you know, go fried dumpling and curry chicken, you know, so that mad. So, when I say mad, I mean super nice. Nice Jamaican flavor, guys. So stay tuned for the rest of action, guys. Is it? Yes, yes. So we just eat a turn. So look there. You know what I'm saying? So for this, the next side, yeah? Next side of our fry. So the soup come around. Yeah. And come on road. This guy's catch one with a come on road. This guy's gonna take out that one there. Look. Yes. We'll put in the next one. This guy's gonna show you the next one. This guy's the one we need to look at. Yes, yes. We'll do two now. We know Friday. Friday 4 and then big. And then we'll leave. Fry this and then stick it on. And then we'll share the food and then we'll see. Yes, guys, so you know, so the food is the food going on here. Eating item now. See it? Lumping them nice. Yeah. Guys, food very nice. God like yes. Lumping them well soft and nice. I know I can't too dark and eat some. Yeah, man. I haven't used it but I mix it. I decided that part to end the video because we don't know. Because I have to delete some of this video them forward and the whole video them. We can have a little space to edit the video, isn't it? So we can have a little space to shot that clip here. So, no, so I'm not going to overdo it on the space, so end the video anytime now. I just want to eat some of the food and sit. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Fine. And man, I like it. I didn't know it was that. It was cool. drop, so you don't know that. See you in our next video. And now remember to subscribe and like the video. Until now, see you next time.
River Street TV, the big TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me? Hey.
Subscribe and click the bell, you know?
Yeah, see me?
Right, for the notification.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, man. No,
Cool,
talk
no, my
about
J.
it.
Big up, my
River
J.
Street.
Every
Right,
time.
true.
Cool, no,
Right,
man.
yeah, man. Right, true, like
Nice.
that. River Street.
Yes,
You know,
see me?
so we have to watch it on TV and it ever clean. Right, true, like night, true.
Oh.